Hello? Room 204? Give us extra towels? Honey, I had a nightmare about how I messed up talking English.
Aw, don't worry. Making mistakes is how we learn. Let's start practicing right now. Hello, welcome to our hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to check in, please.
And if you need the bill at a restaurant?
I want pay.
Close.
Ah, the bill, please.
Hello, good afternoon. We have a reservation.
Good afternoon. What is your name, please?
My name is Stefan, and this is Rose.
Thank you. One room for 2 nights?
Yes, that is correct. Is breakfast included?
I can check that. Yes, breakfast is included, from 7 to 10. Perfect. That's great news. I also need a small deposit for the room.
A deposit? Okay, how much, please?
$50. It is returned at checkout.
Ah, I understand now. Here you go.
Perfect. Here are your room keys. Room 204. Great job!
Thank you. Where is the elevator?
The elevator is on the left, near the door.
Okay, thank you. And is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the password is on your key card. Is there parking here too? Yes, there is parking behind the hotel.
That's very good to know.
It's free for guests.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Room 204. Here it is.
Oh, wow! It's a very big room.
Look, there is a beautiful view outside.
And look, there's a mini fridge too.
And an iron? Over there, next to the closet.
Nice. Everything we need. I love it. You spoke so well at the front desk.
Thank you. It felt good, actually. Hello? Room 204. Give us extra towels?
Remember, can we have 2 towels, please?
Sorry. Can we have 2 extra towels, please?
Of course. Anything else you need?
Yes. Can we have some water, too? 2 bottles.
Of course. We will bring everything right away.
Thank you so much. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like the soup and water.
And I'd like the chicken with salad, please. Would you like anything to drink? Just water for me, thank you.
And a coffee for me, please, with milk.
Great, coming right up. Excuse me, can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Yes, there is a wonderful Italian restaurant on Main Street.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close. Maybe 5 minutes by foot?
That sounds perfect. Thank you for the recommendation. Excuse me. Bill, please.
Say the bill, please.
Excuse me. Can we have the bill, please?
Here you go, sir. Take your time.
Excuse me. Is service included?
Yes, service is already included in the price.
Thank you very much. Excuse me. Good morning. Where is the city center?
Good morning. Go straight down this street, then turn left at the park.
Is it far from here?
No, it is only a 10-minute walk.
Should we take an umbrella? It looks cloudy.
Good idea. Better safe than sorry. Great. Thank you for your help.
Look at these! Beautiful postcards.
Excuse me, how much is this postcard?
That one is $2.
Okay, I would like 3, please.
Sure, that's $6 total.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
Perfect shopping English.
Rose, it's very hot in the room.
You're right. I think the air conditioning isn't working.
Okay, I will call the front desk. Hello? The air conditioning in room 204 is not working?
I'm very sorry about that. We will send someone right away.
Thank you. We really appreciate it.
Look at you, solving problems in English.
I'm getting better every day.
We need to wake up early tomorrow. Should we ask for a wake-up call? Good idea. Hello, could we have a wake-up call, please?
Of course. What time would you like?
7 o'clock, please.
Perfect. 7 o'clock, room 204. Have a good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Hello. We go now? No, wait. Hello. We'd like to check out, please.
Certainly. How was your stay in room 204?
It was great. Everything was very nice.
Everyone was so kind, especially at the front desk.
Thank you very much.
That's wonderful to hear. And here is your deposit back. Wonderful. You are all set. Have a safe flight.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
You corrected yourself with zero help.
I can't believe I did all of that in English.
I'm really proud of you. You improved so much.
Thank you for helping me, Rose.
That's what friends are for.
Now, let's catch that flight.
Let's go.